sit here and draw a bunny inside of a donut.
Yeah, it's springtime, and I love donuts, and I think bunnies are pretty cute.
Yeah.
So I thought we should put them together. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, and you don't have to use the same things that we're using. We're using our Art for Kids hub markers, but you can use a color pencil or even crayons or paint if you wanted to paint. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Because we're drawing and coloring with markers, we're also using marker paper to draw on. And this is my favorite brand, Canson. And the reason why is because it's great quality, but it's also a good price for all the parents and teachers out there. Okay, let's start by drawing our little bunny. And we're going to draw in the middle of our paper. Let's draw the nose first. So I'm going to draw a small little nose so that we have room to put the donut around our bunny. Then we're going to draw the mouth. We're going to draw a curve that comes out to the left and also a curve that comes out to the right. Yeah, and then let's also draw the mouth open. I'm going to draw it really big. And then we can also draw a tongue at the bottom. I'm going to draw a bump and then another bump. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and the same size circle over here on the right. You could change the eyes any way you want. You could also change the mouth. You don't have to draw it open. You could draw the eyes closed. You could also draw eyelashes. You could draw, let's add a little highlight like we usually do and color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. This makes the eyes look shiny. There you go. You could also draw one eye closed like it's winking. I'm going to add eyelashes. You could leave these off if you want. Okay, now let's draw the head. We're going to start here and draw a curve that comes down like this. We're going to come down, over, and then back up. Those are some cute cheeks. Then let's draw the top of our bunny's head. I'm going to draw a curve that comes over like this and connects to the other side. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, now let's draw the ears. I'm going to draw an upside down U. It comes up, around, and back down. And then let's draw that same size ear over here on the right side to match. Let's draw that same shape but smaller inside of each ear. There's one. And then we can draw another one over here. I love that your drawing doesn't look exactly like mine. And it's okay if your drawings look different too, because I'm sure they're turning out awesome. The most important thing is
to have fun.
And to
practice.
Practice. And we say that a lot because it's true. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And I hope you take extra time. You can even pause this video to change your drawing, add more things. You could draw one of the ears bent. You could even draw a hat on top of your bunny. And what else could you add? Oh, you could add a patch. Maybe it's a pirate bunny.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. Now let's draw our little bunny's body. We're going to draw a line that comes down from the chin, and we're going to curve around right into a bunny foot. We're going to run out of room for a donut. We'll make it work.
Yeah.
And then we're going to draw that same bunny curve over here for the other side and the other foot. Then we can draw the bunny's belly in between. And let's also draw the arms. I'm going to draw a simple arm that comes out like this and back in. And the same thing over here. I'll try to make those look the same. Yes, we got our bunny. Now we need the donut. Let's start here. We're going to draw the inside of the donut. We're going to just draw a curve right here that connects between the legs and then comes up. So it extends past just a little on each side. Yeah, and now we're going to draw the big donut. We're going to start up here on the bunny's head. This is going to be huge. We're going to come around like this. And watch this. I'm going to come really far down. And we're going to come around and then connect into the bunny's head in the same spot over here. You can come down, maybe not as far because your bunny's not as tall. There you go. Ah, yes, you did it. There's our bunny's donut. Okay, now we need to draw the frosting. We're going to draw a wiggly line, a wavy line that starts here. We're going to come out like this. I'm going to draw it coming down with little drips. Well, maybe let's draw another drip right here. I'm going to draw, oh, there we go. Oh, that looks really tasty.
It's making me hungry.
It's making me hungry. Okay, now let's add sprinkles. Let's add, I'm going to draw 2 lines. We're going to draw really big sprinkles. So I'm going to draw 2 lines like this. And then we're going to draw a curve on the left to connect and also on the right to match. That's a giant sprinkle.
Yeah.
Let's practice that again. But this time, let's draw the 2 lines going a different direction. We're going to change the direction of every sprinkle. And then we're going to draw the curves to connect. That's awesome. Okay, now let's cover our entire donut with sprinkles. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to draw your sprinkles. You could also add different toppings too. Okay, let's keep going. We finished the sprinkles, and now I'm really hungry because I want a donut that big. Except we're not completely done with our drawing.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward again. So pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You can color them any way you want. You could even add more treats in the background, like cupcakes or more donuts. Oh, you could even add some macarons.
Ooh, that would be yummy.
You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our bunny sitting in a donut, and now I just want to sit in a donut. I want a donut that big.
And you can eat it while sitting on it.
Yes, exactly. And also, every time you take a bite, it would be really cool if each bite tasted differently.
Oh, yeah.
Magical donut. I'd also want sprinkles the size of candy bars.
Yeah.
You can pause the video right now to match or save coloring.
Or you can color any way you want.
Yeah, you can change the frosting. You could even change it to maybe a chocolate donut with pink frosting. Oh, that would be cool.
Yeah.
We used our Art for Kids Hub markers. If you have the same set, we used 121 pink for inside the ears, the cheek, and also the tongue and some of the sprinkles. We also used 83 purple. CG1 is a light gray that we use for the shading on the bunny. And then we also used 34 is an orange yellow color for the sprinkle.
We used 76 blue for the other sprinkles.
Yeah, and the chocolate color we used 94, and for the donut color we used 24.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a bunny and a donut.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you have fun coloring and adding more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.